Amid the growing military tension between India and Pakistan, Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Tej Pratap Yadav has made headlines with a patriotic declaration. Taking to social media platform X, Tej Pratap said he is ready to serve the country with his pilot training and is even willing to give up his life in the line of duty. In his post, Yadav wrote, and I quote, "If pilot training can be useful for the country, then I, Tej Pratap Yadav, am always ready to serve the country. I have also taken pilot training, and even if I lose my life for the country, I would consider myself fortunate. Jai Hind." End quote. His post comes at a time of renewed hostilities along the line of control. The Indian Army has confirmed that Pakistani troops resorted to unprovoked firing across the LOC during the night of May 7 and 8. According to the official statement, Pakistani army posts fired small arms and artillery in areas opposite Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, and Akhnur in Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian army responded proportionately to the provocation. This fresh round of cross border firing follows a spate of ceasefire violations since the April 22nd terror attack in Pahalgam. In a strong retaliatory move, the Indian forces have launched Operation Sindoor, targeting 9 terror infrastructure sites across Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. These strikes, conducted with precision, aim to eliminate leadership and camps of Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba, both involved in orchestrating attacks on Indian soil. Defense sources have confirmed that since last night, Pakistan's artillery fire has hit multiple civilian areas, including Poonch and Tangdar. So far, at least 16 innocent lives have been lost and several injured in the attacks. The army is now on high alert and continues to monitor ceasefire violations by Pakistan closely. As the situation intensifies, Tej Pratap Yadav's gesture may be symbolic, but it reflects a larger mood of national solidarity and preparedness. India is not backing down, and as both diplomatic and military responses unfold, the message from New Delhi remains clear: provocation will be met with proportionate force. Stay tuned for more verified updates.